in the blink of an eye. The world as you know it can change.
As this virus continues to ravage the world.
Natural disasters, unforeseen emergencies, a sudden need to evacuate. In these moments, a single bag can mean the difference between vulnerability and survival. This isn't just any bag, it's your go bag. A lifeline compact enough to carry for miles, yet powerful enough to sustain you. Today we embark on a journey to build this essential companion, your beacon of hope in the darkest of times. The go bag. It's not about fear. It's about preparation, resilience, and the peace of mind knowing you're ready for anything. Let's start with the essentials. Water is life. Pack a lightweight, durable water filter and a collapsible water bottle. Next, nutrition. Energy bars, dried fruits, and nuts. High energy, long shelf life, and no cooking needed. For shelter and warmth, a compact, lightweight tent and a thermal blanket. These aren't just items, they're your shield against the elements. A multi-tool, a flashlight with extra batteries, a first aid kit, and a whistle. Each one, a crucial line of defense in your quest for safety. Clothing and personal items. Remember, it's about being smart, not overpacked. Durable, weather-appropriate attire, and remember to pack for mobility and comfort. This bag is more than a collection of items, it's a testament to your will to survive and thrive, no matter what comes your way. It's light enough to carry on long treks to safety, ensuring you never have to choose between what's essential and what you can bear. Building your go bag is the first step on the path to preparedness. A journey not driven by fear, but by the power of knowledge and readiness. With this bag by your side, you're not just surviving, you're thriving, confident in the face of adversity.